How to delete old Facebook account that I can't access. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to delete Facebook account that you cannot access. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application and make sure that you are logged in, and now tap on the search bar and search for profile you are trying to delete. Once you are in that particular account, tap on the three dots you see there and you will be led to the profile settings. Here, tap on the report profile options, and in the options that you are shown with, tap on the pretending to be something option. Here, tap on the me option now. You can now go ahead and tap on the report profile option and submit a report to Meta by tapping on the submit button. You can also further go ahead and block the old account, and once you have reported your account, Meta will review your request and take actions accordingly. And this is how you can delete old Facebook account that you can no longer access. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.